Hey, one-level homes these days are pretty popular, and especially if they have a full basement and the floor plan is open. And we just listed a home exactly like that, and plus it's in a great location. So stay tuned and we'll go on a tour. Hey, I'm Jana Classy. My husband Paul and I are realtors with Snyder Bailey and Associates here in the Eastern Panhandle of West Virginia. So this home is in Stonebridge. The address is 27 Hook Drive. It's a anyway, let's take a tour. Nice home, huh? Another plus is the location. It's in Stonebridge. And one of the great features of Stonebridge is all the open spaces. There's paths and woods in there and ponds. At one time there was a golf course not too long ago, which is no longer in operation. But those open spaces are there and now part of the Stonebridge neighborhood. And it also has a pool and tennis courts. So let's take a drive through the neighborhood and you'll see what I'm talking about. And here we are at 27 Hook Drive. This is a move-in ready property. It's in a great neighborhood, and if you'd like to see it, give us a call. We'll set up an appointment. Go take a look. And I thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later.